A factory produce bulbs. This factory has 3 units, M1, M2, M3. All these 3 produce bulbs. We suppose that total production of the factory is 100 bulbs. Total production of the factory is 100 bulbs. It is given in the question that unit M1, M2, M3 produce bulbs in the proportion of 2:1. If total production is 100, then 2:1 will be 40-40-20. That means M1 produce 40 bulbs, M2 produce 40 bulbs, M3 produce 20 bulbs. It is given in the question that 20% of the bulbs produced in the factory are defective. Total production 100, out of which 20% is defective. That means number of defective bulbs will be 20. Total number of defective bulbs produced in the factory will be 20. Now it is given in the question that out of bulbs produced by M1, 15% are defective. M1 produce 40 bulbs. Out of these 40, 15% are defective. That means 15 by 100 times 40, that is equal to 6. That means M1 produce 6 defective bulbs. We suppose that number of defective bulbs produced by M3 is X. That means M3 produce X number of defective bulbs. Since total number of defective bulb produced is 20, therefore defective bulb, number of defective bulb produced by M2 will be 20 minus 6 minus X, means 14 minus X. 14 minus X. It is given in the question that a bulb is randomly chosen out of all the bulbs produced in the factory, and that bulb was found to be defective. Then probability that this defective bulb was produced by M2 is 2/5. This is given in the question. That means when a defective bulb is chosen, then probability that this defective bulb was produced by M2 is 2/5. This is given in the question. Probability of M2 by D is equal to 2/5. Probability of M2 by D is equal to 2/5. According to Bayes' theorem, probability of M2 by D will be equal to probability of M2, probability of D by M2 by probability of M1, probability of D by M1 plus probability of M2, probability of D by M2 plus probability of M3, probability of D by M3. Probability of M2. When one bulb is selected out of 100 bulb, then probability that this bulb is produced by M1 will be 40 by 100. 40 by 100. Probability of M2. Probability of D by M2. Probability of M2 40 by 100. 40 by 100. Probability of D by M2. If a bulb produced by M2 is selected, then this bulb, probability that this bulb is defective will be equal to 14 minus x by 40. Probability of M1 40 by 100 times probability of D by M1 6 by 40 plus probability of M2 40 by 100 times probability of D by M2 14 minus x by 40 plus probability of M3 20 by 100 times probability of D by M3 x by 20. This 40 will be cancelled out. This and this will be cancelled out. This 40, this 20, this 20 will be cancelled out. Taking 1 by 100 common from this numerator and this denominator and cancelling them out, we get this x and this x will be cancelled out. Then there will be left this. Shifting 20 on the left hand side, we get this. After a little simplification, we get x is equal to 6. Value of this x is equal to 6. Therefore, when a bulb is chosen out of the bulbs produced by M3, then probability that chosen bulb is defective will be equal to x by 20. Number of defective bulb produced by number of total bulb produced by M3. X by 20 means 6 by 20, that is equal to 3 by 10. This is equal to 0.30. This is answer and solution of this question is complete.